Welcome back. In triangle PQR, calculate the size of x and hence the size of the interior angles, and then thereafter find the length of PQ. That's what we're going to do. So we know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, meaning that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R must give us 180 degrees. And then the reason we say sum of angles in a triangle. So we say angle P, which is 2x minus 10 degrees, plus angle Q, which is 5x plus 20 degrees, plus angle R, which is x plus 10 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees, and then the reason we say sum of angles in triangle. Right, the coefficient of the brackets for each bracket is 1. The coefficient is 1. There's 1 there, there's 1 there. So it doesn't change anything in the brackets. It's just like we have 2x minus 10 degrees plus 5x plus 20 degrees plus x plus 10 degrees is equal to 180. Right, and then 2x plus 5x plus x, that is 8x. So we have 8x, and then plus negative 10 plus 20, that is 10, positive 10, then positive 10 plus 10, that is 20, positive 20. And then it's equal to 180 degrees. And then we subtract 20 from both sides of the equation, minus 20 degrees, minus 20 degrees. And then we have 8x is equal to 160 degrees. Then divide by 8 on both sides of the equation, x is equal to 20 degrees. We need to find the size of the interior angles. Let's start with angle P. Angle P is equal to 2x times 2x minus 10, so it's 2 times 20 minus 10 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. And then angle Q is equal to 5 times 20 degrees plus 20, which is equal to 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. And then angle R, which is x plus 10, so it's 20 degrees plus 10 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So this is also 30 degrees, right? Meaning that PQ is equal to QR. These are sides opposite equal angles. This angle is equal to this angle. So these sides are equal. We say sides opposite equal angles. Therefore, PQ is equal to 15 centimeters.